Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte EX Luxury. Car has a sunroof, fog lights, signal repeaters in the mirror, and that big green sticker up on the windshield is telling us that the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. You should check out that program when you come to test drive the little Forte. Going down the side, we also have alloy wheels. And on the door, a sign that says Sirius XM is on, which indicates that the car comes with a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio for your enjoyment. Inside, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. That top button will fold in the mirrors. They'll actually do it automatically. And of course, a driver's memory seat with 2 positions. Rear cross traffic alert, heated steering wheel, traction control. Little Forte only has 16,978 kilometers. On the steering wheel, we have audio and cruise controls as well as other functions for the car. Inside, of course, the Sirius XM radio is showing. And if we shift into reverse, we have a backup camera, dual zone climate control, aux and USB input ports for the radio, and heated leather seats for driver and passenger. There's also a driver mode select. If we look up, there's that sunroof. Car has leather interior, and the driver's seat is powered. Being as it is a Forte 4, the trunk and gas door controls are at the driver's feet. In the rear of the car, the rear seats are heated. They're also leather surfaced. Plenty of room back here. And a rather large trunk. Plenty of space for groceries, hockey bags, any sports equipment or outdoor equipment you happen to be carrying. Picture that EX badging. Best way to make an informed decision about a car you're considering is to actually come and drive the car. Bring the family down. Try the car out, see how well it fits your lifestyle. Again, we're West Coast Kia. We're located in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, and 11 to 5 on Sunday.